good, homie? How you doing? Is your bitch bird ass gonna come up for my damn muffin again? Okay, homie. This shit is enticing as fuck. I know your ass want it. Come on, motherfucker. You want it? You gonna have to fucking finesse your little birdie ass up the thing. Come on, bitch. Be a man. Be a fucking man. Get what you want. I got 2 motherfucking muffins here for your ass. Yeah, dude. Come on, dude. What's up, dude? Yeah, you want this shit? I will fucking give you this entire ass chunk if you come and get it out my hands. Yes, dude. Bird. Homie. Bro. Come on, dude. Oh, you want the small shit? You don't have the balls to come up here and get this shit from me? Come on, bro. You see this? You see it? I know you do. You did it before. And now you see, now your ass is on camera. You can't perform, huh? Dude, this is capitalism. You gotta give in, man. I'm paying you for your fucking labor right here. Dude. Check it out, bro. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on, you little fuck. Come on, bro. Bird. Sup, homie? Sup, homie, bro? Come on, nigga. You see this. Do you see this cheeky ass little bird right here? He's conflicted right now. It's like, do I do it? Do I become a slave to the capitalist machine? Or do I maintain my dignity? I don't know, man. It's like, it's really fucking hard. I feel you, bro. Just come on. Just do it. Just do it for capitalism, man. Do it for the capitalist machine. Hey, we've all been in this situation before, man. I know. I gotta pay rent, dude. I gotta pay to survive. All you gotta do is just run up, grab this damn muffin, so I can get this shit on video, because no one's gonna fucking believe me. Come on, bitch. I see your face. I see the anticipation on that little bird face of yours. This is not a choice. Come on, dude. Come on, bro. Do you see it? Do you see this? This is like the size of your fucking stomach right here. I'm offering it to you in exchange for one simple interaction. Dude. Roll up, homie. Roll up. Dude, like, it's simple. Dude, I've been fucking filming this damn bird for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Like, what kind of life do I have, man? Seriously. This little motherfucking shit has put me through so much already. He's such a cock tease. Check it out. He's not gonna come up here. I've already fed him like 3 or 4 times already. Yeah, he's still chilling. He's chilling, you know. I think he likes the attention, man. Come on, Daddy Warbux. Come get your muffin. Come get this delicious ass blueberry muffin from my hands. Come on, dude. Here, I'll even go closer to you so you can. Oh, now you're scared? Come on, dude. Come on, homie. Faggot. I'm not just gonna give it to you. That's communism. We're a capitalist country. Come on. Come on, fucker. Oh, you cheeky little shit, huh? Fuck you, dude. Alright, faggot. I'll just fucking throw you there. See? He'll take it. He'll take it for free. Communism.